Yeah, look at that. Still pretty cool. Look real close. See those sacks right there? See those little black things all around there? Watch. Oh, even better. Look at this. More Wanderings episode 2. What you think about it, Bo?
Well, I was wondering how people would react to it, but I guess I'm not going to have to wait very long to wonder about it.
No, you're not.
Because they're going to, like, see it.
Yep. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, the note that just popped up, go ahead and click on that. Direct link to that video. It's on Bo's new channel. Check it out. Man, the sun is out. It's been cloudy up until like an hour ago. And then Bo woke up. So I'm hanging out with him before he goes to work. But I was going to this Hall Ridge or something like that. It's a trail that's like 2 minutes away from here. So I'm going to check that out. But I was waiting for the sun to come out to better my chances of finding some herps. So as soon as Bo leaves for work, that's what we're gonna be doing. So I'm here. This is the Hall Ridge. Like the trails go through this crap. Like this is amazing. But there's nowhere to park. Like it has no parking signs on the sides of the road, and then the place where it told me to turn to park is someone's house. I mean, what? Where am I supposed to park at? Well, I parked my car back there, and now I gotta walk apparently. They called Bo. Apparently I gotta walk all the way back up here, find a trail, and then walk that, which these trails are pretty long. I don't have much daylight. I cannot get this Mountain Dew in my back pocket. You don't have that much daylight left, so at least we're gonna give it a shot and just see what happens. At least show you guys this new spot, because it looks good. So I'm quickly realizing that I probably could have parked down on this end rather than having to walk over a mile, it feels like, just to get to not even a trail yet. I'm still not at a trail yet. And the wind's picking up and the sun's going away, and this is just turning into not what I thought it was going to be at all. But look at all that habitat. Well, this is the only trail. I don't think it just has one trail. I don't know. In case you guys were wondering, you are not allowed to ride your dog here. So, Kentucky's pretty strict on that. I don't know why. Sorry for all you Great Dane pet owners. So much habitat everywhere. Look at this right out the street. Like, when me and Bo come out here, we're gonna hit this place hard. Pretty sure you're not supposed to flip stuff. There's people. Maybe they won't notice. Nothing. I'm gonna go the other way. I'm just gonna walk the other way, because then I'm just walking behind them, talking to myself, flipping stuff I'm not supposed to be flipping. Yeah. Yep. Definitely could have parked my car right here and just walked over, and then there's the trail. But what do? I have to get an early start. Park 10 miles that way. Walk. Yep. So it's looking like here's where you can park your cars, and then this is where the trail actually starts. So I just kind of noticed that not only do they have paved trails, but this isn't a trail, but the one I was on had paved trails, and then I saw back there they had one little route that went up actually into the woods, and it was not paved. So that's good to know. But Bo, we definitely need to come out here very soon. We just need some warm days. Guys, I'm not kidding you when I tell you that it is just either raining or, like today it was overcast. It was like 40 something degrees. It's just kind of miserable weather. Give you guys a little perspective. You see, that car's going. He's still going. He's still got a little bit of ways to go. Yeah, at the very end of that, that's where my car is parked. I can't even see my car. So, see my car. It's over there. I'm so out of shape. Oh, you guys hear him? Oh, he got quiet. So somewhere in this vernal pond, or whatever you want to call it, there is a frog. I just don't know where he is. So maybe he'll jump in. Be a great time to have a net, I'll tell you that much. I don't even see him anywhere in anything, really. But he was so loud, he was right in there. Like, literally. You guys hear that? Right next to the busy road, just in these little puddles. But I can't find it. I'm gonna find this one. I'm gonna find this one. Where are you? I hear you. Looks like, yeah, look at that. Still pretty cool. Look real close. See those sacks right there? See those little black things all around there? Watch. Oh, even better, look at this. Those are tadpole eggs, and this one just busted, cause watch, if I mess with it, they start swimming around. Look at him, look at him. Look at him going. Look at him go. That's awesome. Nice. Look, they're everywhere. There's another one right there. Oh, almost dropped the camera in the water. Almost dropped the camera in the water. Let's not do that, Jordan. He's in the tub. Oh, he is. Where you at? Oh, you would get quiet, you dick. Well, technically we did get herpes, so you're welcome. Well, you guys definitely have to give this video a like for us, that's the wrong light, for us finally finding something, and it is really, really cool. I never really get pumped, I get really pumped up about snakes, but never really just like tadpoles in that little egg sac right there, and I don't know, it was just, having that different kind of perspective going into herping, it was really awesome. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're brand new, don't forget to subscribe. Just click that little yellow thing in the middle. And if you want to watch yesterday's video, it's one of the two that popped up. I'm going to jump off here, take a shower because I stink. And I have a video that I'm working on. Going to be working on tonight for you guys. So, be looking for that. Be looking forward to that in the near future. Love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow.